but in person he only has like a short name. The shortest name on the list. Our first stop is Paracas, where we are going to explore the Ballestas Island. There we are going to catch a boat, and the plan is pretty much enjoy the wildlife that we can find over there. And it seems like there are some lines over there that they are similar to the NASCAR lines, and we are going to see what we found. Are you ready?
Let it wash over all of me. With you I form my company.
We are ready to go to Ballestas Island.
Exciting.
There's no doubts and no regret. Happy before we get another day to do it all again. Oh, throwing open all the curtains wide. Not gonna miss a thing. Nothing's promised to you in this life, but it's there for us to take. So live well, be bold, be brave. We lay in the daylight under the old oak tree. It's simple, beautiful, it's all we need. Chasing the wonder, endless.
This is the coolest island.
Into the unknown. There's no doubts and no regret. Happy before we get another day to do it all again. Oh, we're throwing open all the curtains wide. Not gonna miss a thing. Nothing's promised to you in this life, but it's there for us to take. So live well, be bold, be brave. In the sun.
Señoras y señores, con ustedes el lomo salteado.
So what do you call this?
El lomo salteado.
The
So
Peruvian food is amazing.
It is. It's a mix between beef, vegetables, some kind of sauce, the fried egg, homemade chips.
So this meal is kind of like Peruvian mixed with Chinese food.
Yeah.
So we got frozen tropical lemonade. It's actually really good.
I think that is pineapple and passion fruit.
It's delicious. Hand cut chips, which should be. The flavors. This is amazing.
What is the plan now?
Well, we're gonna sample some pisco.
What is pisco?
It is the Peruvian drink of choice made from grapes.
En un 70% del jugo de la uva. Liquor. The name is Mistela Italian Grape. Is the quebra 70% and pisco 30%. Is the juice with the pisco, okay? We mix with pisco. All the bottle has 16% of alcohol, okay? 16% of alcohol. Tiene 16% de alcohol. So be careful with this, because you drink it, you don't feel the alcohol. Not now, but when you stand up, you don't feel your legs, okay? So be careful with this. Salir con todo, chicos. Pueden, ¿sí? Holding Miss Stella, what are you doing outside? Please come inside, okay? Salud, chicos. Pueden tomar. Esta es una Miss Stella.
We're going in the dune buggy.
And then we are gonna do some boarding. That's the plan.
We're ready to go.
So hot. We survived sunboarding.
that big hill, that was so much fun. That was really long drop.
I know, look at that. You can see over there is the Valle. And look at what is around us. Chan chan. Dunes and more dunes. One of the best things that we done today.
Yeah, so much fun.
To stay one night in Huacachina. So this is the Oasis. We are in the center of the town. It is the lake. Over there is like the kind of like the business area with all the restaurants, hotels, hostels, everything. And now we are finished our day with one cusqueña, that is the beer from Peru. And we bought this, that is the pisco. So this one is mixed with coffee. It's kind of like Baileys, but better. Has like a little taste like caramel as well. So it's really nice. We love it. So if you are seeing this, family, we want to give you one, but we decide to try it first. So it's not gonna make it. So these ones, they are pequeños. I think there's like beef inside, so it's like pequeños lomitos. And with guacamole and like pasteles. Peruvian food. And the lemonade is actually mint lemonade. God, this is so good. The traditional pisco sours. This one is passion fruit. And you know what?
Cheers to Peru.
Peru.